Hey guys, hope you guys are all doing okay. Sorry to subscribers, this is a little bit different again. This is a Fusion360 demonstration of how to assemble these two parts so you can check whether they fit okay. May be interesting for some of you guys, but if you're into RC or electronics, this might not be your thing, so apologies for that. But this is for a friend of mine, and I want to show him how to assemble these two parts. Okay, so we start with these two bodies here. They're two separate bodies. We've got the main body and the lid for the box. So what we need to do is, first of all, well, let's just colour them in orange just for a learning curve. I'm going to press A for appearance. I'm going to search for orange, my favourite colour. We haven't got an orange. Okay, so we're going to go plastic. Now I'm just going to choose a white. And then I'm going to double click this and I'm going to turn it into a nice burnt orange like this. Done. And I can drag that to that and drag that to that. So that's a nice looking orange. I like that. So let's now assemble this to this. So I'm going to go back to solids up here and I'm going to go assemble. No, I'm not. I've got the two bodies. I need to do this bit first. Body 1, I'm going to create components from bodies. Body 2, exactly the same. Right click, create components from bodies. And now I've got two components. Components can be assembled like this. So I can click on this assemble joint. We can make a rigid joint. There are several different types. But we're going to do a rigid. And I'm going to select the part I want to move to the other part. So I want to put this one on top of that one. And I figure that if I pick up this corner here and drop it on top of that corner there, then that will be good. So we're going to zoom in and I'm going to make sure I get the corner. Look how this bit's highlighting here. I'm on that edge, not this edge or there. I'm on that edge there. Pick that up. And I want it to go to this edge here. Now, slightly misaligned, so I'm going to rotate this around 180 degrees. And we're on. Click OK. We've now got a joints up here. And I can turn this off, so if I don't want to see my joints, or of course all of them off with the master hierarchy. Okay, so what I now need to do is see if that lip inside there is got enough clearance for 3D printing. So luckily in this case I've got a nice gap here, so I could go inspect, highlight this area and that line there, and I can see I've got a nice 25mm gap in there. But if I didn't have that, it could be an issue. So what I would do is I go to utilities and go inspection, section analysis, and I need to click that orientation. So if I just turn that component off so I can get to it, I want to see this into orientation like that. Click OK. Put that component back on. I can now zoom in and have a good look at what that gap is there. And I can still use my inspection tool if I want. Back to solid, inspection. What's the gap between that wall and that wall? 25mm. Okay, that's great. I could go back to utilities, section analysis, and I could click this way, and I can do the same again, so I can have a nice look inside. And then I can go back like this. There you go. So that is how to join different parts together and check that they fit nicely for when you finish 3D printing them, so you know they're all going to sit together nice. Well, I hope that helped somebody. Maybe it's inspired you to get into 3D printing and using Fusion360. See how easy it is to create what you need to be printed. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, just like what the sign says. Hey, I got the finger right this time. Hey, learning every day.